Ocean County in southern New Jersey, eastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, north central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, eastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 9 p.m. At 7:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Crosswicks, or 9 miles southeast of Trenton, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Edison, Middletown, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Manalapan, Carteret, Teton Falls, Holmdel, Princeton, Red Bank, and Keensburg. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 7 and 13. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 19. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 56 and 67. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 8. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 109 and 134. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean and Somerset, and Bucks, Pennsylvania.